Hi, Victor Cheng here from SaaSCEO.com. Today I want to talk about this acronym called SaaS, S-A-A-S. It stands for Software as a Service, or pronounced SaaS. And it's a term that reflects how software is purchased, paid for, and utilized today. It's the predominant way software is consumed and transacted. Started about around year 2000, and it's gone increasingly popular since, and now it's the standard way of doing things. In the older days, you used to spend a lot of money to buy a piece of software, often on a compact disc of some sort. You would install it on your computer. You'd have this license to use it forever, but you would be responsible for purchasing the hardware or renting the hardware, maintaining security, and otherwise making it operational. And this transition has happened where one of the advantages of SaaS is that you just rent SaaS, the software, and all the hardware required to operate it, you really rent it on a monthly basis, and sometimes you prepay for 12 months at a time. Okay? And the advantage of that is it's much simpler. So from a management standpoint, you don't have to buy any computer equipment, you don't have to run a data center, you don't have to worry about bandwidth, you just pay a monthly fee, and everything you need to use the software is available. When you don't need the software anymore, you stop paying the monthly fee, the software goes away. That's one advantage of SaaS. One of the other advantages is from an economic standpoint. Rather than spending a lot of money up front to buy this piece of software that you own forever, you pay a much smaller amount month to month. And so therefore, if you don't need the software at some point, it's very easy to cancel and you don't spend as much money. From the business owner or the software SaaS company's point of view, one of the reasons I like SaaS and that billing model is it keeps everyone honest. Right? So if you're running a software company or a SaaS company, when your customers can leave you at any time, and you're dependent on them paying their monthly fee, you tend to pay a lot more closely to their needs, their complaints, their issues, their suggestions for new features. And so from a purchaser standpoint, I like SaaS as well because I know that I'm paying them and they have a lot of incentives to get it right, make sure the software works, that there's no downtime. And if they don't, people get upset and they leave. So I think overall it's better for buyers, it's better for sellers, and that's why it is the predominant way software is bought, transacted, and utilized today.